Hey Sarah, what are you doing here? Hi, I need your help. I have the anatomy exam this upcoming week, and I was wondering, do you have time to help me study for it? I have not studied at all, and I am going to fail this. I know it. Absolutely. Oh my goodness. Yeah, come on in. What are you learning right now in anatomy? What is the quiz going to be on? It's going to be on the nose. Here's my textbook. Okay. The external nose is the visible part. As you can see right here, you got the nasal bridges, the upper part of your... sorry, my nose is a little sensitive. Sometimes I sneeze when I touch it. But, no, yeah, we're just gonna point. But it'll be okay. So this is the nasal bridge. It's the upper part of the nose, typically the bony portion, which forms from the ridge of the nose to the nasal tip, the lower and more flexible part of the nose. It's made of cartilage and gives shape to the tip of the nose. The ala, I didn't know that's what it's called. It's the outer flared part of the nostril, and it's apparently made of cartilage. I just thought it was flappy skin, but I guess not. That's cool. The ala. Oh, it's pronounced LA, I think. I'm pronouncing it wrong. Yeah, can you remember that? LA, yeah. And then there's nostrils, which are the openings through the air enters the nose. So the skin around it's the LA, but the nostrils are like the holes itself. Did not know this. This is very cool. This is kind of interesting. And the nasal spectrum is the spectrum dividing the two nasal passages into the right and left side. It is made from cartilage at the front of the bone to the back. And then there's the nasal cavity, the internal nose. So the internal nose structure are responsible for many of the functions such as filtering, humidifying, and warming the air we breathe. So there's the nasal vestibule. The air entryway to the nasal cavity, which is lined with skin and fine hairs, which are called cilia, that help filter large particles from the air. The thing that is the only thing that stands between me and sneezing my head off every time I go visit my Aunt Nancy's house, which is never dusted. And then there's the turbinates, curved bone structure covered in mucous membranes inside the nasal cavity. There are three main turbinates. There's the inferior, the middle, and the superior turbinates. They help to warm, humidify the air as it passes through the nose. Interesting. I wonder what those look like. I don't know if I need to know them for the exam. Yeah, it would be good to know what those look like. But it's not like on the outside of the nose like the LA was. So it's not like you can look at it. I have an idea. I was over at the witches festival the other day, and I bought this potion that apparently is going to shrink you down to the size of an ant. If you drink it, you could like totally climb inside my nose. And then you could totally see what it looks like in there, and I'm sure you'll be like get A++ on the exam. You really think so? You'd be fine with me crawling in your nose. Oh, it'll be fine. It'll be really cool. I don't know. You gotta try it sometime. I'll go get the potion from the other room. All right, here it is. You ready to give it a go? Okay, let's give it a go, yeah. Oh my goodness, you're so tiny. I don't know how I'm supposed to get inside your nose. It's so far away. Oh, don't worry. I'll put my finger down. You can climb on top of it? Okay, good job. I'm going to just put you right up to my nose, and you can climb right on in. You doing good in there? Yeah. All right, good. Oh, no. Are you okay out there? I'm good. Can you, move slower? It's kind of making my nose tickle. Oh, okay, I'll stop moving. Okay. Okay. I don't know why. I know you're not moving at all now, but my nose still tickles. Are you, like, wearing perfume or something? I'm sorry, it really tickles. I am. I'm wearing new perfume I got for my birthday last week. Oh goodness. Okay. This might be a problem. You just explore and try and look without moving if you can. Use your flashlight or something on your phone. And I'll just try hold back the sneeze because I don't want you to fly out. I'll be quick. Okay, I'll be fine. I can hold this back. I'm good. Oh my goodness. It just tickles so bad. Can you be careful? It's shaking a lot in here. I know, I'm sorry. I'm good. I think I can see the first turbulent nates. The inferior one? I'm going to try and crawl back and see if I can see the middle turbulent nate. Oh, okay. I really hope I'm pronouncing that word right, because it did. Oh. Sorry, thought I was going to sneeze there for a second. It didn't have a pronunciation got. Okay, I'm good. I'm sorry. It didn't have a pronunciation guide. Are you okay there? I don't want you to sneeze me out. Like, sneezes go like over 100 miles an hour. I know. I'm being careful. We're okay. I'm okay. I promise you. I'm good at holding back sneezes if I know one's coming on. Okay, just be careful. I am. It just tickles a lot. Oh my goodness, as you crawl back, the perfume's getting closer to the sensitive part of my nose. It's making it tickle worse. I think you should leave. I'm almost to the back though. I can almost see the superior turbulent nates. Okay, just be careful. I don't think I can. I don't think I can hold back much longer. Oh, sorry. Are you okay? Ugh. I'm all wet.